Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Apple gift card with PayPal. First, use any browser like Chrome or Firefox and etc. Type buy gift cards online with PayPal Apple. Click on a secure and trusted website such as Dandel, PayPal Digital Gifts, or Apple authorized partners. Pick how much you want to buy. Example, $10, $25, $50, and etc. Select whether it's a gift or for yourself. Click Add to Cart. At checkout, select PayPal as the payment option and complete the purchase. And that's it. Your Apple gift card will be sent to your email or shown on the website. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.